The chapter 3, which is our changing earth, will not read line by line, but the important topic which is covered in this chapter we will discuss in our changing earth. We know that our earth is composed of the layer structure, which is the crust, mantle, and the core. Crust, which is also known as a lithosphere, which is composed of the many plates, and these plates are called lithospheric plates. Actually, lithospheric plates are the irregular and the rigid slabs and made of the composed of the rocks, which is the lithospheric plate, and inside it there is the movement of the magma in the circular motion. So we can say that our earth is an unpredictable and dynamic structure, and the movement of magma inside the earth, and due to this movement there is the changes occur in the earth surface as well as inside the surface. These changes are defined as a two parts, which is endogenetic forces and the exogenetic forces. You mean by the term endo, this means endo means inner and exos means outside. Genetic forces means the forces which release. So we can say that the endogenetic forces which inside and the exogenetic forces outside. When we read about the endogenetic forces, it mentions about the sudden movement and diastrophic process, which means slow, which include mountain building, but sudden movement include earthquake and the volcano are the important one. And the next one is the exogenetic force, which is the outside the surface of the earth, which will be seen and which we observe by us. It include the process of weathering and the erosion. Weathering is actually decomposition or the breaking down of the rocks, and the erosion, which is the deposition and the transfer of the weathering of the rocks, and deposition, erosion, and it created a structure which is called erosional landforms. And these are exogenetic forces caused by the river include waterfall, meander, and second was the sea waves are the also one. We study earlier about the waves, current, and the types. They all have the motion, they all have the intensity which cut the rock and make a structure. And third is the ice, which meander found, glacier found, marine found. And the last one is the wind. Wind is also important one because in arid region there is a desert which is in which wind actions dominant, and the many structures found like lossless mushroom rock. So we can conclude that our changing earth is a dynamic and composed of the endogenetic and as well as exogenetic forces based on their movement.